Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Eshan and welcome back to the channel. This is quite a happy video because I've actually officially passed the 200k My Forex Funds challenge. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on my trading journey. And if you actually have checked my previous video on my trading update video, and I actually had a payout with My Forex Funds, my second payout, you would have seen that I gave updates on my 300k and my 200k, and at the time my 200k was down. I think it was around down 4% or so. So yeah, I actually did have a really beautiful winning trade, which I will get into. But I just want to show you guys the proof. So on the screen right now, somewhere on the screen, you'll see my account dashboard that I did hit the target, the 5% target, which was 10,000 US dollars. So I did hit that. And I actually did get an email as well from them saying that I have officially passed. So I'll put that email up on the screen as well. But yeah, let's get into the winning trade. So right now I'm on the charts and I have the winning trade up. Let me just adjust my microphone. So it was a winning trade on the Aussie. So yeah, you can see there was a huge impulse candle up, and this was actually because of CPI. News did come out, but the way I do backtesting is that I don't account for any news, because when you're backtesting, you don't know when the news is coming out, right? So sometimes it does play in favor, like it did right now for this Aussie trade. Sometimes it does go against me. So that's kind of a pro and con for back testing without adjusting for news. This can happen, right? So yeah, with news, I don't stay out of news or anything like that, except for NFP, non-farm payroll. I don't trade on the first Friday of every month, but besides that, I do trade during news, right? Because of the backtesting scenario I just explained to you. So yeah, I'm going to get into the trade. So I'm going to take the bar replay tool. Let's take it to this part. Alrighty, let me just get rid of all of this and I'll share my thought process. So at this point, right, we can see the low is here and the high is here. And we can see that we are just ranging, right? We're ranging in a descending fashion. What does that mean? So within the range, I'm seeing a descending nature. And below and above ranges, we tend to see potential liquidity, right? We can see some stop hunting happening. So my thought processes were, if I see the descending nature taking out the low and I see a clean enough push up, that's showing me that momentum wants to go up now, and it's very high probability to look for long entries. All right, so now I need to see what will happen. Is price going to continue pushing down, or am I going to see it reverse? So yeah, I'm going to get the bar replay tool. Yeah, it's a new bar replay tool in TradingView. I'm not a huge fan of it, to be fair, but we move. So I'm seeing now this candle, I'm seeing it push up. The high is at this level over here, so we need to see this taken out. But I don't want to see a range here, because that means we could see liquidity here and here. So I wouldn't be looking for that initial reversal bullet. And if you don't know what a bullet is, it's basically a break and retest of a high or low, right? So let me continue. So now I'm seeing it range. So I'm not looking for the initial reversal bullet. So I would only be looking for continuations, right? I need to see it push up. Nope, I don't want to do that. I want to see it push up, push down, push up, and get into the first continuation. So that was my thought processes at that moment. So over here, we see price push down, push up, and now we had the first break over here. Now we see this candle and it's taken out the high, and I want to see what happens next. We have a follow through, so we're seeing momentum, right? Had a bit of slowdown, and then we had the push up, right? We had a beautiful bullish candle with a wick at the bottom, and we had a good close. We didn't see a shift in momentum in the pullback. So I was very happy to set my order after this. And what I did was I did set my order on the line, right? I did set it at this level over here. And what happened? With a 12 pip stop, by the way, I have very strict rules where for the Aussie pair, EJ, and AJ, I have 12 pip stops. But I do have a rule that if I see volatility in the market, I may increase my stops to adjust to the market. It's a bit of subjectivity, but that's what I do in backtesting. So anyways, yeah, I set my order on the line. Then it literally wicked me in and pushed up. And then when I checked my phone at the top of the hour, I saw this and I was like, whoa. This is good. This is good. Yeah, I did feel a bit good, but at that time I was like, don't have any expectations, because your previous month of trading and also during this challenge, the verification stage, I was down on the account, and many times I did have running profit. And if you guys want to see proof of this, you actually just check my Instagram at EB Finance. Check my stories. I do put my trades on my stories, and you would see that I was running in profit and then I would be taken out. It is a bit frustrating, but I do have very fixed risk management rules, the way that guerrilla trading does teach it, where you do manage to trade where, let's say you get in and then it retraces, right? You wouldn't try and take your profit here. You need to wait for that high to be broken to reduce your risk to the most recent low, right? It's very strict risk management rules. Yeah, this could easily reverse and take you out, and you could have been like, why didn't I take the profit? But at the same time, right, let me just get rid of all this junk. Yeah, at the same time, what if this happened, right? Price literally pushed up and made 30-40%. You don't know that. And by managing the trade like the way I'm doing it, the way in guerrilla trading, you're letting the market decide. That's kind of the philosophy in guerrilla trading. You let the market decide. The market can do whatever it wants. And that's why during the range bound markets, I didn't make massive percentage, but I did stay out of a lot of shitty positions. So, that's the way I managed to trade. But anyway, yeah, so this candle happened, and I'm basically waiting for a retrace candle and then a break of this high if it does retrace, and then I would reduce my risk. So I was really just waiting for a counter trend candle, a push up, and then I could reduce my risk. That was my thought processes on the live account. On my challenge, obviously, I just wanted it to push a bit up so I can take my profit and then pass. So I was just patiently waiting. So let's continue. So we got that retrace candle, and it closed like this. Then we pushed up, and when I saw this, I'm like, beautiful. But funny story, a bit annoying. I don't know why I keep doing this, but I waited for the profit to hit a certain level to take my profit so I can close it. I didn't set a TP, a bit stupid on my end. I don't know if I just get a weird thrill from closing the trade, but basically I closed the trade and my total profit on the account, my overall account, was just under the $10,000 profit target. I did this on my last 100K challenge, and it's really frustrating because I'm just like, I'm going to get, I'm screwed, knowing my luck, I'm going to try scalping, and I'm just going to get loss after loss after loss, and I'm not going to hit the target. So that thought did cross my head at that time. And I did a little bit of scalping, very, very low risk, and I did end up hitting the target. So yeah, it is what it is. I need to learn from that damn mistake. I need to just set a TP for these situations. But yeah, I did hit the target, and very, very happy with the trade. Would take it 100% every day of the week, and yeah, very, very happy. Let me just finish going over this trade, because I wouldn't normally take profit on my funded account. I just literally just reduce my risk 2 pips below the low. So I was running in around 5% profit at this. I had locked in 5% profit. So and it's running right now at 9.85. So obviously I wanted it to push up more, reduce my risk, so I can have more profit in that live account, right? So yeah, let me continue. Price did have a slowdown, so this could easily show that momentum is tiring out and we could start seeing reversals. So yeah, price did retrace, and there actually was a combo opportunity that the mentor did take, and initially I didn't take it, right? But I thought it was too aggressive. But looking at it now, all these candles, look at the amount of candles it took to come to the combo line. Basically, that's where the bullet entry is. It's a combination of the bullet and the flag, the bomb, right? So yeah, you see the amount of candles it took to come to the combo line rather than the amount of candles that it took to break the previous high. So yeah, something, again, I did ASR, and I would definitely add this to my plan now, just because it's a scaling, right? You want to be more aggressive because you can make more profit. So yeah, anyways, we push up, price ended up pushing up, broke the high, so you could reduce the risk over here. So I had actually locked in 9.44%, right? On my funded account, I do risk 0.6%. So it wasn't 9.44% I made. It was 0.6 times 9.44%. So whatever that is. And then, yeah, price did push up and it took me out. So yeah, that's the winning trade for the verification that did end up passing me the verification. Quite happy. I'm now trading $300,000 in funding from My Forex Funds. So yeah, very, very happy with my progress. It is quite nice to see for my personal growth and like documenting it on YouTube. Like just last year, I took my first challenge, and if you look at the trades, they're honestly so rubbish. Like they're so bad, the trades. So I'm just happy with the quality of trades I'm taking now and seeing my growth. So yeah, trading 300K now, and I did have that ambitious goal to try and trade $1 million by the end of the year. Still up in the air. Let's see what happens. I'll be quite happy with the max allocation. My plans right now is to wait till the end of the month, and I'll start a 300K challenge again. If it is still there, I'm not quite sure if it's still there, but I'll be taking another challenge at the end of the month, start of September. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the content. If you guys want to get in touch with me, just leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as I can. You can also send me a DM on Instagram. My account is at EBFinance. So if you just follow me, send me a DM, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.